Hi children, welcome back to Ramayanam. Yes, in yesterday's episode we saw that King Dasratha died because he could not live without Rama, and we knew about the story of Shravan Kumar. Okay children, so today's episode we are going to see how Bharata went to the forest to bring back Rama. So Bharata along with the big army and the three queens accompanied him. They went into the forest in search of Rama. They found Rama, and Bharata bowed before Rama and asked him to come back, saying that, Brother Rama, father is no more, so you please come back to Ayodhya and rule us. But Rama said, No, Bharata, it will be wrong on my part if I come there. So I will not be able to come because I have given word to my father. So Rama told that I will not come and become a king because I have told my father I will live for 14 years in the forest. So saying, Rama went to the nearby river and did his last respects, so whatever they had to do, Pinda Pradhanam, or whatever rites, rituals were there for him to do to his father who passed away. He went to the river, did all that, and came back. Then, because he is the eldest son, so after Rama coming back, Bharata asked Rama to give something in memory of Rama. So Bharata asked Rama to give his padukas. So children, what are padukas? Padukas are the wooden slippers. Wooden slippers are called padukas. So he brought those padukas. Rama gave those padukas, and Bharata kept those padukas on the Simhasan, and he himself lived outside the outskirts of Ayodhya. He didn't enter into Ayodhya, children. He ruled the kingdom in the name of Rama. So you can see Bharata begging Rama to come back in this picture, and you can see Bharata keeping the padukas on the Simhasan instead of Rama. Bharata did not sit on the Simhasan and rule the kingdom. So he kept Rama's padukas and ruled the kingdom in the name of Rama. So children, see how lovable these two brothers are. Yes, all the four brothers are very loving and respected each other very much, children. And yes, in this picture you can see Bharata asking Rama for his padukas, and Rama gave his padukas and as well as his blessings and sent Bharata to go to Ayodhya and rule the kingdom. But Bharata did not rule the kingdom himself. He didn't become king. He ruled the kingdom on behalf of Rama. So children, you can see the brothers, yes, embracing each other. Yes, children, you can see the love and affection they had towards each other. Yes. And finally you can see how Bharata brought the sandals of Rama to Ayodhya. He kept them on the Simhasan, and he himself lived away. He lived not in the he didn't live in the country. He lived on the outskirts till Rama comes. I will wait here. The 14 years, even Bharata wore ordinary clothes, not a kingly attire. He wore as just as Rama, and he was a sannyasi himself who stayed outside the outskirts of their city Ayodhya. And so, children, that was the end of Bharata's, yes, Bharata going to call Rama back, but Rama didn't come. Rama said that it will be wrong if he came back to Ayodhya and became king. So Bharata came back with the sandals of Rama and ruled the kingdom in the name of Rama, children. So everybody was counting the days till Rama came after 14 years. And we will see, children, what happened in the jungles, what experiences Rama and Sita and along with Lakshmana had in the jungle. We will know more and more about Ramayana in our later episodes. So, children, tomorrow we will see who met them in the jungle. So, in today's episode, we see that Bharata went and came back with the sandals of Rama, and he ruled the kingdom on behalf of Rama. Okay, children, bye.